Love it or hate it, the era of short vertical video is here to stay. And if you're a content creator, you need to include these clips in your strategy. For years, I stuck strictly to long-form content, but I recently started testing vertical clips for a local project. And honestly, the performance is incredible. Incredible. While long-form videos usually live on one platform, short-form allows you to blast the same piece of content across every major channel for massive, rapid reach. The only downside is that editing takes forever, but I finally found a tool called Vizard that makes the entire process way less painful and much faster. I'm not just recommending this because I'm an affiliate. I use it because it genuinely cuts down my editing time while still delivering high-quality results. I recently took a long pub review video and wanted to turn it into a punchy short, so I let Vizard handle the heavy lifting instead of manually chopping clips. Getting started is simple. Just grab your YouTube link, paste it into the project creator, and let the tool analyze your footage and suggest the best clips. The AI is remarkably clever, giving each potential clip a viral score to help you figure out exactly which moments are most likely to grab your audience's attention. While those AI clips are a great starting point, I personally prefer to hand-pick highlights so I can craft a specific narrative from my original video. The transcription is surprisingly accurate even when I mumble, which is vital because most people watch these short clips on mute and need those captions. Once I marked my key highlights, the intro, the food shots, and the recommendation, Vizard generated the clip, and I just did a quick trim to keep it tight. The editing interface itself is incredibly clean, allowing you to easily adjust captions, fix typos, and shift the layout for vertical formats like 9:16. If you want to keep your face centered automatically, the smart auto-reframe feature is a total lifesaver when you are pumping out dozens of clips every week. When it comes to subtitles, I like to keep them readable with a subtle glow, and I place them just high enough so they don't clash with platform interface elements. Adding visual flair like emojis is easy, and those little additions really help make your content pop while users are scrolling through their feed. I generally keep my branding simple, adding a logo and maybe a small background blur so that the subject of the video really stands out to the viewer. The best part is definitely the speed, because from the moment I paste my link to having an exported file, the whole process takes only a few minutes. While other tools like Descript or Caption are great, I find Vizard hits the sweet spot for vertical workflows, especially with its clip discovery features. The cross-platform publishing and scheduling tools allow you to manage your entire content pipeline without needing to switch between a dozen different apps. If you are working with hour-long podcasts or real live streams, the AI can actually comb through that entire file and suggest dozens of shareable moments automatically. Pricing is really reasonable for what you get, and there is even a free tier if you just want to test the features and see if they work for your style. My biggest piece of advice is to keep the platform limits in mind. Always proofread your captions, and don't over-rely on AI if you want a specific story arc. Vizard strikes that perfect balance of being simple enough for beginners, but robust enough for creators who are ready to scale their production. If you are serious about building a video presence, I've linked the tool in the description so you can try it out and speed up your workflow. Let me know in the comments if you prefer editing your shorts manually or if you're ready to let AI handle the heavy lifting for you. I read all my comments, so drop your questions below, and I will see you in the next video. Good luck with your content creation journey.